Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader to basically, learn how I trade, all that good stuff. Spots are filling up. I am down to my last two tiers. After those fill up, I'm either going to cut the Patreon or just going to increase the price to something stupid, really. Or you can pick up my book on Amazon. I don't know if I'll link that as well, or maybe create a Shopify and throw it on here or something. But XRP is moving after, I'd say, I don't know, bro. Like, how long has it been since XRP actually moved or did anything significant? Right? I mean, I wouldn't get too excited just because, I mean, really, if you look at the full chart, like that's not a huge move, right? From 38 cents to 50 cents. Right? Not a crazy move. But I would say if you're into XRP, I'm personally not. This is a perfect entry, right? So I would definitely say this wouldn't be a bad place to add to XRP, right? Especially if you're what? I think 4x away, or actually 300% away from all-time highs, right? So I mean, I definitely say it's not a bad place to pick up. And if there's anything to pick up right now, it's definitely XRP. It is closing a bullish week, right? So any bull week entries are definitely a good spot to add some XRP as far as long term, right? You would have picked up XRP here at 50 cents, right? Before it ran up to 75. Picked up some more XRP here at around 54 cents before it ran up to 74. And again, you would have picked up XRP again here at this perfect entry-ish at 50 cents, probably before it runs up to 75. Again, I'm not really sure where this is going. My guess is that you're probably going to hit, I'd say somewhere around that 75K area, right? If you're closing this on the weekly, I definitely say that 75 is not, not a bad target to have, right? So if you're swing trading, I definitely say you can probably do a 50% gain just on this swing on XRP, right? The monthly, obviously, still a little bearish, but it's curling up. The 3-month is bullish, right? And I'd argue, I would argue that you're on trend here still. Let's do this. Can I go a little bit more? Yeah, see? I'd argue that you're still on trend. So, I mean, if I had to absolutely guess something, that's perfect, bro. Look at that. I'd actually argue that if you actually push from here, right, this would be a perfect run up back to around $2. So I'd say short-term target would be 75. If you're holding long-term, right, I'd definitely say your first target would be $2. Second target would be 365, right? Now, this is long-term holds, right? And this is a regular channel. Right, so I mean, if there's anything to buy in crypto, it's gonna be XRP, and it's literally right now. And I'm basically telling you guys that this has a potential, right, of first going to $2, right, which would net you almost a 300% gain. After that, running to 3.7, which will net you almost a 600% gain. If that breaks, you're going to the next mid channel, which would be a 900% gain, right, or like a 9x. After that, you might run to $7, which would net you a 1,200% gain, right? So you're looking at the possibility of a 3x, 6x, 9x, 12x, essentially every single multiple of 3, right? And again, you can keep running this all the way up, and this channel's probably going to hit, to be honest. So I wouldn't be surprised if this is your long term, just your predictions for long term, right? I would not be surprised for this be your, because obviously you have this channel here that's working for the 3-month, right? So why would it not work for everything else? So again, this will probably net you at an 8.6. It'll probably net you a 1.7, so like a 17x probably. Let me see, or like a 15x. Yeah, 15x, and then the next one is going to be again, multiples by 3, like an 18x. Right, but then you're starting looking at pretty ridiculous numbers at $10 and all that good stuff. But again, I definitely say that right now is the perfect spot to add XRP to your long term. First target, definitely I'd say is 75 cents, then $2 if 75 cents breaks, right? That little area of 75 cents that it hasn't been able to break in like a while, right? I'd say if that breaks, right? If we break this, actually I'd say if you break like 80 cents, I don't want to say guarantee, but I'd say your next spot is 1.3 and then $2. But if you like XRP and you think XRP is a really good long term, it's a no-brainer adding right now. It's a no-brainer. All right. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.